Today we're going to cover everything you need to know about AJT Key Fobs. Chances are you're carrying around an OEM key fob that's honestly pretty boring. It works fine, but it doesn't exactly match the style or personality of your vehicle. That's where AJT Design key fobs come in. Let's start with fitment, because this is one of the most common questions people have. AJT key fobs are designed to fit a wide range of Toyota models. We carry fobs for the Toyota Tundra, Tacoma, 4Runner, Sequoia, and even the Land Cruiser. Each key fob case is designed to match the shape and internal layout of the OEM Toyota key so that all the original components drop right into place. Everything functions exactly like the OEM key once it's assembled. One important thing to understand is that AJT key fobs are not electronic replacements. They are replacement housings and there is no programming required. Once you move your OEM components into the new housing, the key works exactly the same as it did before. Now let's talk about the installation process, because this is another area where people are usually surprised by how simple it is. You start by opening your factory key fob to access the internal components. Once the OEM housing is opened, you remove the internal circuit board, the battery, the key blade, and the key blade locking mechanism. After that, you place those components into the new AJT key fob housing. Once everything is in place, the two halves of the AJT key fob are secured together with the included hardware. And that's it. Your upgraded key fob is ready to go. Another big advantage of AJT key fobs is the material and the construction. The cases are made from durable injection molded plastics that are designed to handle everyday use. Compared to many factory key fobs that rely on small plastic clips to snap together, AJT housings are assembled using small machine screws. That makes them feel more solid, more durable, and much less likely to come apart over time. The materials feel solid and the fit and finish are clean, and the overall design gives the key a more premium and durable feel. One of the biggest reasons people upgrade to AJT key fobs is customization. AJT offers a wide variety of color options that allow you to match your key to your vehicle or your personal style. You can find options like black, red, lunar rock, army green, cement, white, solar octane, underground, heritage blue, pink, terra, and mud bath. Here at Yota Xpedition, we exclusively offer topographic laser engravings that give the key fob a unique off-road inspired look that fits perfectly with Toyota trucks and SUVs. This level of customization might seem like a small detail, but it's actually something you interact with every single day. Your key fob is one of the few parts of your vehicle you carry with you all the time. A lot of people also ask whether installing AJT key fobs affects the signal range or performance. The answer is no, because you're still using the original Toyota electronics inside the new case. The signal strength, lock and unlock functions, and remote features all operate exactly the same as they did with the factory housing. So who are these key fobs really for? They're perfect for Toyota owners who want to add a little more personality to their vehicle without doing a complicated modification. It's a simple upgrade that doesn't require wiring, programming, or special tools, but it still gives you a noticeable improvement in both style and durability. If you're looking for an easy way to upgrade something that you use every single day, this is one of the simplest and most satisfying mods that you can make. If you're interested in getting one of these key fobs, head over to YotaXpedition.com, and if you like this video, make sure to hit that subscribe button for more videos like this, as well as off-road builds. Thank you guys for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.